We are going to see SAP MM today. In SAP MM, we have basically SAP has two basic server. One is ECC and other one is HANA. In your screen, you are seeing log on screen. Here is SAP ECC server. When you go to remote desktop, you have two HANA servers. Basically, ECC server is full of database. External means it has Oracle, MS SQL as its background to see data. For HANA, HANA server means is completely SAP oriented server. SAP HANA database. The HANA database is completely SAP oriented database. It's like Oracle, MS SQL, like SAP also has its own database. Its own database, its name is called HANA database. Why we want to learn MM? It's a big question now. Because why we learn? Because every product in a company moving from one place to another place needs some transportation. For the transportation, they will produce some goods issue or purchase requisition from other side. So the movement of goods, we will learn movement of goods inside the company. First of all, movements. It's called transportation inside the company. Next thing about why MM is very helpful to all because of producing the transaction codes and company codes digitally. You can go to you can sit in your place and you can create plan for it. You can sit in your place. You can create company code for your company. You can sit and create. You can create purchase requisition, goods issue, or invoice to your company. Each and every transaction has been noted into a database, and it will be stored to your company database. Each and every notation, like if I opening server now, SAP logon server, SAP GE access. This is a SAP ECC access. It is a user and password. It is totally different. It is totally controlled by technical team. This is a EC access screen where end user can use the screen. Okay, when I type SPRO in the top of the bar, SPRO is directly go to IMG part. implementation screen. From implementation screen, you have all number of glossary of contents is there. You can see enterprise structure. From enterprise structure, only we can create a plant. See, enterprise structure, then I go to definition, then I go to financial controlling, then I going to create company. See how many companies are here. I go to new entries here. I just create a like AL NOZ AL NOZ Tech Limited. Then I give my country. I give country. I put India. Language key. I just put English. Currency. I put Indian rupee. Likewise, this is a basic method of creating plant. Just go to save, and it will be create request for that. After creating request, this is a successful manner to create a plant. Whenever you're creating anything, it will be create request. Data is saved. Now where I go? For creating plant, I type SPRO. Then I save SPRO, it go to IMG activity. Then it go to enterprise. Enterprise structure. Then it go to definition. Then I go to define financial accounting. Then I go to define company. The basic step to create company. I put this as first equation number 1. This is a basic part to all. Before you going to create master data, before you creating vendor data, creating company is important about SAP. Okay. Next thing about next important cycle in SAP MM is about P2P cycle. P2P cycle means procurement to pay cycle. Why this name come? Procurement to pay, because when you building a product, when you want to reach the customer or a vendor, you want to search some suppliers to to give the product. So first step is about determination of sources of supply. We want to search the suppliers who will buy our product. Inside a company, we build some product. Outside a vendor is there. We want to reach them. Next thing about determination of determination of requirements. At least it will be first. Why we want determination of requirement? Based on a requirement, we want to create product to build a company or to build a supplier. Determination of requirements. Next thing about vendor selection is important topic. Vendor selection by RFQ. What actually RFQ is? RFQ is about request for quotation. Request for quotation. Why we want this? We have some prices, 5,000 or 10,000, 10,000 or 15,000. Your price. You just share to your vendors. It's all the price. It's all the price we want to share to vendors group. Vendors group. Next thing, the vendors will reach you for your price. Vendors will reach you for a certain price. So if a vendor come and I want 5,000 to buy your product, so yes, I give first vendor. I choose first vendor, then I reject the quotation. Reject the quotation to other vendors. Like that, it will be happen at vendor selection. Next thing about order processing. Okay, if your product is good, we are going to supply the we want to get quotation and give product to the vendor. So we want to process something. So we want to create the purchase order or purchase requisition from your SAP MM site. So we want to create order processing. Next thing about purchase order monitoring. We want to monitor each and every purchase order by purchase requisition or purchase order, and it will be maximum by the some digit code inside a SAP. Next thing about is the overview actually. Next thing about goods issue or goods receipt. These are before and after receiving of goods issue equity. Before ordering of goods receipt after the goods come to your place called as goods issue. Goods receipt means the goods make payment towards the company, like bill, actually GST, actually like goods tax for import and exports is called goods receipt. Next thing about invoice verification is commonly called billing of material. Invoice verification is also called billing of materials when the goods transporting from one company to vendors we need to build the product we made. Last thing about payment processing. Why we need payment processing after all completed? After all process completed, a company generate bill to a partner company for buying the goods. It's called payment processing.